Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this occasion, I would like to give some presentation about my portfolio. Before that, let me introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Syafrul Kaido Dwi Rinaldi, and then you can call me Kaido. I'm from 90 class. I'm from 9th grade, especially 90 class. Okay. This is the list of content of my portfolio. The first is introduction, the second is curriculum vitae, the third is game project, the fourth website project, the fifth is IoT project, the sixth is multimedia project, the seventh is Android projects, the eighth is English project, the ninth is linear project, and the last is achievement and experience. Okay. Here is of my introduction. Hello, my name is Marcel Kaido Rinaldi. You can call me Kaido. I was born in Jakarta in Letus Hospital in 24 August 2009. I have lived in Gunung Kidul Bogor since I was a child. I am the second of three children in my family. Okay. And then this is my curriculum vitae. This is in my curriculum vitae. And here is my experience when I'm teaching. I have 6 times teaching, and the first in the Harapan Umat, second is SMP Al Ansor, and the third is Al Azhar, and then the fourth is SDN Kemiri, the fifth in Pondok Pesantren Al Islah, the last is in Polokai. And I ever win in Semarang robotic games competition. Then before I come to IDN, my education in SD Tevfik Al-Abah. Then here software skill that I already learned from IDN. Design software, I have learned Figma and Canva. Programming is and then programming software that I already learned is Modular and Android Studio, and video editing. I have learned about Clipcam and HitFilm. So this is if you want to contact me, you can go to this email or YouTube. Okay, next. Okay, we jump to the next is game project. So here I have a game. The name is Pac-Man. So I make it on a Scratch platform. I make this game when I was 7th grade. Next is website project. So here is my personal website. This is my personal website. I create when I was 7th grade. In my personal website there is information about me, and then a lot of my project in my personal website from 7th grade until 9th grade dari learning at IDN boarding school. And then next is IoT projects. In IoT project there is Smart Trash Bin. This is my project. It's called Smart Trash Bin. So I make it in KBID. When I was 8th grade, this is project is automatic trash that we can use to throw away the trash. Okay, so next is about multimedia projects. Here is illustration. This is a multimedia project. The name is illustration that I made in Figma when I was 8th grade. So I make the design of my project just using pen tool in Figma. Then Android projects. So here is card name. This is my project. It's called Modular project. It is card name. This I made when I was this is a project about my biodata such as name, social media, and others, and I made it using Modular. So we continue to the English project. So here is my English final project. This is my last assignment that I made when I was 9th grade. The final project is divided into 3 stages. The first stage is about interview with my teacher, and the second is about explaining the country that I want to visit, and the last or the third is my favorite project from 7th grade until 9th grade. So if you want to see what my final project, yes, you can go to my channel. Is Kido IDM official. Then here is next there is Dinia project. In Dinia project, I make poster about etika berdoa. So this is an Akidah poster project. I have an Akidah subject and we made a dakwah poster with the theme of the ethic of praying. Okay, here is about my achievement. So here, this is my certificate which I got when I participated in a competition in Semarang. Namely is the Semarang Robotic Games, which I got on February 21, 2022. Okay, next we jump to the experience. Here, so this is one of my teaching experience. I practice teaching with my friend by presenting material about making games in Scratch. I make the games is Catching Fruit. So I teach in SDN Kemiri Muka 1 Depok. Okay, maybe that's all of my presentation that I explained about my portfolio. I'm sorry if I have a lot of mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.